नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां पुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्. We are seeing Hal Sandhi. Visa Napadantat Toranam. What is the meaning of this sutra?
It is Apavada Sutra for Shtunashtuhu. It is saying that if we have a Padanta to, then it does not change to Shtuhu. Oh, sorry.
Which one is not changed?
The stoho is not changed to Shtuhu.
Padanta Tavarga, when it is followed by Sakara or Tavarga, then Sakara and Tavarga will not change into Shakara and Tavarga. Why Padanta has given? Why Padanta Shabda has given?
In the case of id plus te, it should form ite.
It is not Pada. It is not Pada. And if they don't give Padanta, then we will not get this form. Why Toho only given? Shakara has not given.
Example, Sarpishtamam was given. Example. There, Sha is there, but you can still do Shtunashtuhu. If Ta had not been given, then Sha would also be included in that, and then that word would not be formed. It would become Sharpishtamam, and it is.
Shakara has not given, because if Shakara it is given, then we will not get Sarpishtamam. Right?
Yes.
Next, Anam Navati Nagari. What does this Vartika say? Somebody?
This is an apavada for Napadanta Torana. For three cases. One is Anam, Avati, and Nagari.
So when Anam, Navati, Nagari, when it is there, Shtunashtuhu will apply and this will not apply. Same example we'll see in Jalam Jashonte as well as Yaronunasike Anunasikova. Somebody, Toshi, what does it says?
This is apavada for Shtunashtu. Where if Sha is with Tavarga will not get tower.
Hmm. Anybody?
Then ta varga is followed by shakara. Then chutvam will not happen. It will just stay as it is. Now shtutvam. So the tu will not change into ta will not change into ta. It will just stay like that.
Shtutvam has given, but only we need only tavarga. Shtutvam means shakara tavarga. Next sutra. Jhalam jashonte. Jhalam jashonte. Padante jhalam jashah syuhu. Jhalam jashah ante. Padanta jhal will change into jash. Sutra is so simple. Padanta jhal will change into jash. What is the jhal?
Jabhagadadha, Jabhagadada, Kapachadata, Kapa Sheshas Saha.
Anybody?
Jabhagadadash, Jabhagadada, Kapa Chatata, Chatata, Kapa Shashasa.
Anybody?
Jabhagadada, Kapha Chatata, Kappa Shashasa Hal.
Anybody?
Pratyahara.
Yes. What are the letters in Pratyahara?
Dha, bha, gha, dha, dha. Jabhagadada. Ha, 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 tha, tha. Chatata. Kapha. Sha, sa, sa. Ha.
Two people missed chatata, chatata or chatata. I don't know which one they have missed. And somebody said jabhagadadhash. Shakara won't be there. So jabhagadadha, jabhagadada, khapa chatata, chatata, kapa shashasa ha. If we write in this form, varga, kavarga, chavarga, tavarga, tavarga, pavarga. 5 vargas are there. Ka, kha, ga, gha, cha, cha, ja, jha, ta, tha, da, dha, ta, tha, da, dha, pa, pa, bha, bha. We have to just remove the 5th letter from all vargas. Then this is to understand which letter will come on the place of which letter. Okay, first let us see what is the jash.
Jabhagadada.
Jabhagadada is the jash. So earlier when we do replacing, what happen is yatha sankyam anudeshah samanam. Like ikah sthane yan syat. Ik is ivurulru. Yan is yavarala. 4 letters is this, 4 letters are that. So it is equal. It was easy. Now it is not equal. Jhal has many letters and jash has only 5 letters. Which letter we have to replace with which letter? That is the question. In the place of jal, we have to replace jash. In the place of jal. In the place of all these letters, we have to bring jabagadada. So jabagadada, if we write in a order, gajadadaba. This is a ga, ja, da, da, ba. Now, which letter we have to bring in the place of which letter? That question. Before that, what are the ucharana sthanani? What are the ucharana sthana?
Kanta, Tal, Murdha.
दन्ताः ओष्ठौ कण्ठोष्ठौ
नासिका
नासिका च
कंठतालु कंठोष्ठम दंतोष्ठम जीवामूलम अनुस्वार.
From the beginning,
कंठ तालु मूर्धा दंता औष्ठौ नासिका कंठतालु कंठोष्ठम दंतोष्ठम जीवामूलम.
no. When I say ucharana sthana, you have to tell everything. Akuha visarjaniyanam kantaha.
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कंठः इतुयतानां तालुः ऋतुरतानां मूर्धः ऋतुलसानां दन्तः उपपद्मनीयानाम् औष्ठौ नियमगणनानां नासिका च.
ए दैतोः कण्ठतालु ओ दौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठं जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलं नासिकानुस्वारस्य
Anuswarasya. Not ya.
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य.
So here, this ka, kha, ga, gha, just forget these 4 letters. Ha and shesha, sa, there 4 letters, just forget. We'll see first these four letters. Then we go to these 4 letters. In the place of ka, what we have to bring? Ka is
कण्ठ
jal pratyahara. Ka is jal pratyahara and kha is also jal pratyahara. Ga is also jal pratyahara. Gha is also jal pratyahara. These 4 letters are jal pratyahara. And this is kavarga. Akuha visarjaniyanam kantaha. A and ku means kavarga. Kavarga means ka, kha, ga, gha. These 4 letters comes under kavarga. On these 4 letters, in the place of these 4 letters, which letter we have to bring? Jaba, gada, da. Means ga, ja, da, da, ba. In these 5 letters, which one we have to bring? Which is the most similar ka, kha, ga, gha for all 4 letters? Ucharana sthana is kantha. What is the ucharana sthana of ba?
Post.
Oshtau.
What is the ucharana sthana of the?
दन्त
Da?
Murdha.
Murdha.
Ha. Ja?
Talu.
तालु
Talu. So all these are not similar with this kavarga, right? What is the similar? Most similar? Gakara. Gakara is the most similar. That's why in the place of all these 4 letters, we have to bring this gakara. Is it clear, this point?
Yes.
Yes.
So what we have finished, I will just mark. Ka, ka, ga, gha. Next, cha, cha, ja, jha. What is the ucharana sthana of this chavarga?
Talu.
Tala.
Ichu yashanam talu. Ikara and chavarga. That chavarga is talu. In these 5 letters, what is the talu?
Ja.
Jaka.
Jakara is the talu. So most similar ucharana sthana is jakara. That's why in the place of chakara, we have to bring jakara. In the place of chakara also, we have to bring jakara. In the place of jakara also, we have to bring jakara only. So these 4 letters, whenever it comes, we have to bring jakara. At the end, padanta, that we have to remember padanta. Okay, we'll see example. This is clear, right?
Yes, Poonaji.
Yes.
Next, ta, tha, da, dha. What is the ucharana sthana of these 4 letters?
Murtha.
Murdha. Ruturashana murdha. This is the ucharana sthana. What is the most similar ucharana sthana in this?
Da.
The.
Da. Da is murdha. So we have to replace all these 4 letters with dakara. Then tavarga ucharana sthana.
Rutulasanam danta.
What is that?
Dantam.
No. Can you pronounce completely?
Rutulasanam dantahan.
No. Somebody?
Lutulasa.
Rutu.
Dantaha.
Turrasa.
It is not ru.
Lrutulasanam dantaha. Ru, and because Ru already has done. Ruturashanam murdha. Lrutulasanam danta. Ru and tavarga. Tavarga ucharana sthana danta. Then here, what is the similar ucharana sthana?
Dakara.
Dakara. In the place of ta, tha, da, dha, we have to bring dakara. Next, pakaras ucharana sthana.
Upu padmaniyanam oshtav.
Upo padmaniyanam oshtav. What is the most similar in this? And what is remaining?
Bakara will be there.
Bakara. So, papa, babha. All these letters should be replaced by bakara. Now, is it clear which letter should be replaced by which one? for all these? Other than Sheshasah.
Yes.
Next, Shesha, Sa, Ha. These 4 letters. Okay, what is the Uchcharana sthana of Shakara?
Talu.
Talu.
Talu. So we kept here in Talu Varga. Then what is the Shakara Uchcharana sthana?
Murtha.
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 Murdha. Sakara Uchcharana sthana?
Danta.
Dantaha.
Danta. Hakara Uchcharana sthana?
Kanta.
Akuha Visarga. A Kavarga. Ha Visarga. 4 things in that. So Hakara, Shakara, this Shakara, Sakara. 4 letters. In these 4 letters, what happens is Hakara, when we do Prakriya, Hakara will not remain as Hakara. Hakara will change into Dhakara. Then there is no possibility of Jalam Jashonte to apply. Nowhere. Nowhere that possibility is there for Hakara to change into Jalam Jashonte. Hakara to change into Jash. So Hakara will have some apavada here. So we don't have to take Hakara here. In the same way, Shakara. Shakara will change into Murdhanya Shakara. Vrascha Bhrascha Srijam Raje Jarada Bhrajacha Shamshaha. By that sutra, Shakara will change into Shakara. Then also, here also, Shakara will not change into Jash. Hakara will not change into Gakara, which is Jash, because of Hodaha. Shakara will not change into Jash, because of Vrashta Brashta Srujam Raja Ejaraja Bhrajat Chasham Shaha. By that. This Shakara will be replaced by Dakara, which is the most similar. Shakara will be replaced by Dakara. I'll keep this, which are not required, in red color. This Sakara. Sakara will change into what? Padanta Sakara will change into?
According to what we see here, it is the.
No. Other sutra. Some people use.
Shuhu.
Padanta Sakara. Padanta Sakara. And those who studied Rachananvada Kaumudi.
To Refa.
Huh.
Sasajushoruhu.
Yes. Sasrajushoruhu. Sakara will change into Rutva. Then also this Sakara will not change by Dakara, which is Jash. Is it clear? Now all letters we have seen. How each letter will be replaced by what? Is it clear? Any doubt is there?
Purnaji, did we say that Murdhanya Sha changes to Dhakara or Dakara?
This Alpa Prana Dakara. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
This Shakara will change into Dhakara by another sutra. Shadoho Kahasi. I think.
This actually, in a simpler way, we have seen as Prathama, Dvitiya, Chaturthi. Tritiya and Chaturthi of the Varga get converted into tritiya letter of the varga. This
Yes,
is how we have
yes.
seen this simple.
Yes.
Like
Yes. Example is Vak. Vak is the pada. And this kakara is padanta. And kakara is belongs to jal pratyahara. This kakara will change into padanta jal. Will change into what?
Gakara.
Gakara. Vag.
Huh. So here Vagishaha, this example has given. So even if there is something in front of it, we can just add it. Even if there is nothing in front of it,
Punaji, you've written Kag. It should be Vag.
oh, Vag plus Ishaha means actually here Vag plus Ishaha is there. Even without Isha, whether something is there in front of it, something is not there in front of it, also that Jal Pratyahara will change into Jash Pratyahara. We'll keep it as it is and will take another. Here Vag plus Ishaha. Vagishaha. Is this example clear?
Yes.
Here there are similar two sutras are there with Jalam Jashwante. One sutra is Kharicha. This is Kharicha's Vritti. And another sutra is Vavasane. This is not there in Lagu Siddhant Kaumudi. But we'll see when Kharicha comes. When Kharicha comes, we'll see Kharicha as well as Vavasane. Both sutras we will see. For now, everything is clear in this sutra?
Yes, Punaji.
There is one more point here. This Jalam Jashwante cannot come under Samhita. So far, whatever we are seeing the sutras, Sandhi sutras, all are coming under Samhita. But this Jalam Jashwante is not under Samhita. Why it is not under Samhita? After Vak, even if there is nothing, this is happening. Means that Kakara is changing into Gakara. Samhita means when we want to read two words together. So here Vak plus Ishaha, there we want to read it close mannerly. Then we will call it Samhita. But when there is no this, then when there is nothing in front of it, then we don't call it as Samhita. Vak is there. After that there is nothing. Then it is not Samhita. So that point we have to remember. Jalam Jashwante is not under Samhita. But still Sandhi is happening. Okay. Shall I go to next sutra?
Yes, Punaji.
Yaronunasike nunasiko va. Yaronunasike nunasiko va. Yaraha anunasike anunasikah va. When yar pratyahara, when it is followed by anunasika, then that yar will change into anunasika. Yaraha is panchami vibhakti. Anunasike is saptami. Anunasikah is prathama. Va means vikalpa. Here in previous sutra also, Jalam is saptami and Jashaha is prathama. In the place of Jal, Jash will come. There is no nimitta. Animitta is ante. Ante is nimitta. Sorry, Jalam is Shashti. Jalam is Shashti, Sthani. In the place of Jal, Jash will come, which is Adesha Prathama. Ante is the nimitta in Saptami. Here also, Yaraha is Shashti Vibhakti. In the place of Yar, Anunasike is in Saptami, means it is nimitta. When it is followed by Anunasika, then Anunasikaha va, Anunasika will come. Where Anunasika will come?
In place of yar pratyahara.
Why in place of yar pratyahara only? Why not Anunasika in the place of Anunasika?
Because yar is padanta. That's why pratyahara.
Anybody?
Yeah.
Anunasika is the nimitta.
Anunasika is the nimitta. Okay. Why not here? Why not in the place of here?
Yar is Sthani.
Here is Sthani. Sorry, I was making wrong statement. Here is Sthani. In the place of Sthani only, this Anunasika will come. In the place of nimitta, Adesha will not come. I'll repeat again. In the place of Sthani, nimitta will come. In the place of Sthani, Adesha will come. In the place of nimitta, Adesha will not come. Yaraha anunasike anunasiko va. Yaraha padantasya anunasike pare anunasiko va syat. This yar should be padanta. Padanta yar, when it is followed by anunasika, then yar will change into anunasika. What are the yar pratyahara letters?
Yavarala Nyamaganana Jabhagadada Kapha Chatata Kapha Sheshasa.
Example is Etan Murari. Etad, this dakara is yar pratyahara. Dakara, yar pratyahara, when it is followed by anunasika. Then this yar will change into anunasika. What is the anunasika of dakara?
Nakara.
Nakara.
tavarga.
When we say anunasika for dakara, means that varga's fifth letter. This dakara is tavarga. Tavarga's fifth letter is nakara. Here, etan, murari. Etan murari. Is it clear? Example is clear?
Yes, Purnaji.
Yes.
Next, va is there. Va means vikalpena. Vikalpena means we don't do anunasika replacement. So it will be remain as it is. Etat murari. Next, this vartika. Pratyaye bhashayam nityam vartikam. Pratyaye bhashayam nityam. What is this? In Laghu book, if you look at, there is a tippani. I think 3rd number tippani. Third number tippani in Laghu book, page number 28. Anunasikado pratyaye pare padantasya yaraha nityam anunasikah bhashayam ityartah. Bhashayam means loke. Loke means laukika Sanskrit. Anunasikado pratyaye pare. After anunasika, pratyaya. Pratyaya means here, if we take the example, tat matram. Which sutra will apply here? First,
Jalam jashonte.
Jalam jashonte. Jalam jashonte, what will change here? By Jalam jashonte?
Takara to dak.
Now, which sutra can apply here?
Yaronu nasiko va. Yaronu nasike anunasiko va.
Yaronu nasike anunasikova. Tan plus matram. Now we'll see this vartika, what it says. Anunasikado pratyaye pare. This is anunasika. Nakara, sorry, anunasikado pratyaye pare. This matra is pratyaya. Matrach pratyaya. Matrach pratyaya, which is beginning with the anunasika. Makara is anunasika and it is matrach pratyaya. Anunasikado pratyaye pare. Padantasya yaraha nityam anunasikah bhashayam ityartah. Padanta yar. This is padanta yar. It will get anunasika nityam, not optionally. In the previous example, what we did is optionally. Here, optionally, we did nakara, anunasika. Here, it is not optional, it is nityam. Why? Because this year, padanta year, is following the pratyaya, which is beginning with the anunasika. In that case, this year will change into anunasika eternally, nityam, not optional. Is that clear?
Yes. So this is an apavada of being it optional, kind
Huh.
of, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But it is in Loke, only in Laukika Sanskrit, not in Vaidika Sanskrit. But Narayanji said that he did not find any such example in Vaidika Sanskrit. So they have given specifically Loke, but Vaidika Sanskrit also they don't have any example. If we may find, then it is okay. This Vartika is clear?
Yes,
One
Purnaji.
question, Purnaji. So in this case, how do we know if it's a pratyaya or not?
Later we will know. Like Chinmaya, Tanmaya. What is this pratyaya?
Mayat.
So when we study Taddhita Prakarana, then we will know what are the pratyayas. Just by seeing itself, we will know whether it is pratyaya or not. So this is Matrach pratyaya. This is Mayat pratyaya. Like that.
Okay, thanks.
Any other doubt? Okay. Now we will see this example, which is Shash Nam. We saw Shad plus Nam. We started with Shad because we need for Shtunashtuhu, we need Dakara only, the Tavarga. That's why we started with Shad Nam. Now we want to start with this from the beginning steps. Shash is the Shashti Vibhakti and plus Nam is there in front of it. Bahuvachana Pratyaya is there. Shash is the Pratipadika and Bahuvachana Pratyaya. Now, which sutra will apply here?
Yaronunasik.
Yaronunasike Anunasikova. How Yaronunasike Anunasikova will apply here?
Shashas.
Yeah. Sha yar pratyaya.
Sha is Yar Pratyaya. Okay.
Pratyahara, and then the na will change to followed by Anunasika.
In Yaronunasike Anunasikova also, this Shesha Sa will remain Shesha Sa only. So they don't change into any other thing. So that also we have to remember. Here actually this Shakara will change into, if there is, if it is changed into Nakara, then how did we came to Shad and Nam?
Yes, it's not Yaronunasika because the Adesha is Dakara, not Nakara. So, yeah.
Ah.
It doesn't apply.
Which one has to come here?
Shtunashtu.
Okay, Shtunashtuhu, what is the Karya here? By
Oh, no,
Shtunashtuhu?
sorry.
So there we need stoho for
Yeah, stop.
Shakara Tavarga is there, na? Shakara plus Tavarga.
Oh.
But then by Shtunashtu it becomes a Nam. Right?
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll give that as sure. But I will change the step again. But for now, at least we'll go ahead. Oh, this should be by Shtunashtuhu, right? Is that step correct? Shakara, when it is followed by Tavarga, then Tavarga will change into Tavarga. Then, how Shannam has come? This Shakara will change into Dakara.
Dakara.
If you remember, here we saw Shakara will change into Dakara.
Right.
By which sutra?
Jalam Jashwante.
Jalam Jashwante. By that sutra, it will change into Dakara. Shad plus Nam. Then, which sutra can apply here? For Shanna?
Yaronunasike Anunasiko.
Yaronunasike Anunasikova. Now we have to apply that sutra. Okay. Shanna. The steps should come this way. First, Shad plus Nam. This should come. The steps which way, according to Ashtadhyayi, the steps which way we have to follow, that we will see in next class. Because this Jalam Jashwante is come first. Then Shtunashtuhu comes, then Yaronunasike Anunasikova, that sutra will come. So according to Ashtadhyayi, that is the prakriya we have to do. If we don't follow Ashtadhyayi, then this is correct. Prakriya is correct. It is not wrong. Whichever way we do, it is correct. But if we follow Ashtadhyayi, then it will help us in other prakriyas also. This Pushpa Dikshit ji, she follows Ashtadhyayi Sutrakrama. Varadarajarya ji and all, they won't follow Ashtadhyayi Sutrakrama. But right now what we are following is, though we are studying Laghu, we are following the Ashtadhyayi Sutrakrama only. For this prakriya, Ashtadhyayi Sutrakrama we'll see in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.